Eden Emerge is our new leadership program that we're delivering for all our leaders in the business. It'll start at our Eden Angels, down to our centre managers and all the leadership roles in each individual centre. We're super pumped about this because at the end of the day, we know we are only good as we are from our people, and we want our people to be the best leaders that they can be in their roles.
The Eden Emerge program is 12 to 20 months of workshops, coaching circles, one-on-one coaching. We're doing bridging activities where we've got actual activities that we can use back in the workplace. But it's a rolling program, so you'll work through the different levels of building self, building teams, building relationships, and building organisation. Everyone should be so excited about this program because at Eden, we don't just hire people, we grow them.
Investing in our people within Eden is very exciting. I'm glad to be a part of it, and I'm happy to see all of the up-and-coming centre managers, assistant managers learn new skills, and overall it will just benefit Eden Academy as a whole. So thank you.